Hi, I'm Joy.
And I'm Andrew.
And welcome to Mr Wue Travels.
We're both excited, although a little nervous, to be sharing our first video with you today. We're both teachers from Derbyshire, and last year we dipped our toe into the campervan travel world with our new Volkswagen T6.1 camper, which we call Mr Wue.
We hope you enjoy these clips from our 2025 travels. Like and subscribe to see what we're up to in 2026 and come along for the journey. Thanks so much for watching. We really appreciate you being here. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, Hit subscribe so you don't miss where we're off to next.
We've got plenty more travel and exciting adventures coming up in 2026, including Northumberland 250, the Normandy beaches and my favourite, the North Coast 500. Let us know in the comments below what your plans are for 2026. See you next time. Happy travels!